hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and executive orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities.
Examinees for a passing percentage of 86.96%. The University of Eastern Philippines, Katarman. Rank 5, with 23 passers out of 26 examinees for a passing percentage of 88.46%. From the University of Eastern Philippines, Katarman, Eyesa Michaela Gomba Nirza. Loste C. Rank 2, with a rating of 92.60%, from the University of Eastern Philippines, Katarman, Stephanie Joyce Inocentes Kipal.